Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is an unboxing video, and I know I've been having a lot of these lately, but I've been having a lot of fun. And I actually am going to sell one of my Louis Vuitton bags, I think, and so that'll help fund all these extravagant adventures I've been having on the internet. So here is the box, and it came care of Kevin, one of my most favorite sales associates, and my very most favorite sales associate with Longchamp. And I know I'm probably spelling that wrong, or not spelling it wrong. I know I'm probably saying Longchamp wrong, but that's how I like to say it. So there. So let's get into this. Now, let me tell you the backstory on this. When I started buying my uniquer, is that a word? My more unique Longchamp extra small bags, I was finding some of them through Kevin, but also I found several of them through Vestiaire Collective. And there was one particular seller from the UK who had some amazing items. I got my green snake Longchamp extra small from her, and then I went back and I bought the platinum Longchamp extra small from her, and then I went back and bought the white mock croc Longchamp extra small from her, and I wanted to buy her remaining one. I don't know, she must have had a little collection and decided to sell them, but they were all new, and the last one was fuchsia, and I kind of felt like fuchsia was too bright for me. And then I changed my mind. I have decided these little Longchamp extra small bags are perfect bags to be a pop of color. And so I waited and I waited and I waited and I checked and I checked and I checked some more. And now currently there are two Longchamp extra smalls in the fuchsia color. At least there were a few days ago on Vestiaire Collective. And one of them isn't priced bad. Actually, I think you could get it for around $400 US. But I did ask Kevin, kind of as a Hail Mary, a last chance, before I jumped off the cliff and bought the one that was almost $400, which is still not a bad deal because it retails for $510. And I asked him, can you find this for me? And he couldn't find it for me in the United States. And I'm not sure it ever really was in the United States. I'm ripping my box, hold on. It was definitely in Europe. That's where I have seen them pop up for sale, all through Vestiaire Collective, all through Europe. And there was one website that appeared to have it, and it was a European website, maybe German, if I remember right. But when I went to check out, I even got a mail forwarding service address in Germany. When I went to check out, it wouldn't let me. It said that there was no stock. So it was a bit of misinformation that they had it. And I even contacted them. I'm like, it still says you have it. And it lets me add it to cart, but it won't let me check out. What are you doing to me? So I asked Kevin, and I had asked him before, and he said, no, I can't get it. Well, he decided he would check a little further, and he found it for me in Paris, of all places. So here it is. Once again, I get the beautiful Longchamp packaging, courtesy of my favorite, now San Marcos Longchamp outlet sales associate. And I'm going to just get right into this. I've got a little booklet here that has the receipt inside. And then within the bag, I have a dust bag. And I guess I already told you what it was. I told you it was fuchsia, but you haven't seen it. And so we will experience the moment of seeing fuchsia in real life in all her glory together. So fuchsia is a mock croc, and all of Longchamp's reptile bags are mock. It is a mock croc bag, and it is in the matte finish. And look at that. Look at that. Ooh, isn't she pretty? She is a bright pink, and you can tell I'm wearing red today because I'm going to a baseball game, and red is the color. But she is a bright pink, and she is gorgeous with silver hardware. I'm hoping that her strap is inside. I don't know that I saw the strap, but she is all the way from Paris. And yes, Kevin so kindly wrapped the strap in an additional dust bag. And look, she has these little studs on the strap. Now, these straps are really nice for carrying the bag crook of the arm. And I have done that. It works. But I also, like, see, for example, I've got it on my crook of my arm. It'll go all the way, almost up to your shoulder, but I wouldn't do that. But these straps will work great for carrying crook of the arm. And these work great for carrying top handle. Primarily, though, I just use the studded strap when it's on display, and I do not use it when I'm carrying it because the opening for the extra small bag is just slightly difficult to get into as it is. And let me go ahead and stuff this beauty just a little bit. She needs a little bit of stuffing, I think, to round out her edges. She may need to have an insert inside of her for a bit. There, now I can give her the true spin in all of her glory. So here we go. What do you think? Is she gorgeous or is she gorgeous? And I'm going to pair her with a silver chunky chain and wear her on the shoulder, or a thinner 47-inch silver crossbody chain and wear her crossbody. And I love it. I didn't show you the inside, and then I just went ahead and stuffed her. But let me go ahead and just take a peek. She does have her card in there, and it's not the typical LGP print. It's more of like a diamond print. Can you see that in there? Which is nice. It's dark, and it's lined, and it has a pocket on one side. Let me stuff her right back up again. So see, doesn't she look nice all stuffed? She needed that. She needed that little bit of love. Didn't you, girly? I think you're pretty. I do. I didn't order this color initially because I thought she was too bright for me, but I'm not sure that I think she's too bright for me anymore. She is really nice, and it's a beautiful pop of color in a small little package, and I love the matte finish. I love the shiny finish too. It's probably the most durable out of all of them, but I definitely love this matte finish, and I love this little touch here. And I may wear that a little bit. I did wear one of these one day on the crook of my arm. It was nice. I enjoyed it. I tend to prefer it shoulder carry though. That's my favorite way to carry it at the moment, with those thick chunky straps that I keep telling you guys about. So let me know what you think. This is, I believe, number 24. Let me count real quick. Yes, this is number 24. I sold a couple so that I would have 24 in total, which leaves me one slot if I wanted to have an even 25 instead of well, I guess it would be an odd 25. If I didn't want to have an even 2 dozen, I could have 25, and I would be okay with that. I'm weird about numbers. I like to have certain number combinations. I'm okay with groupings of 5, groupings of 3, or even numbers. And I guess it's odd. I'm okay with odd if it's a grouping of 5 or 3, but I wouldn't want like 17 of a bag or 19 of a bag or 21 of a bag, but I'm okay with 20 or 25. I know that's all very confusing, but I think it's an obsession thing. OCD, perhaps. I'm rambling. Anyway, I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife, and I hope you've enjoyed this brief unboxing of this beautiful fuchsia mock croc Longchamp extra small Cuir top handle. And I know, okay, listen, somebody told me how to say Cuir before, and they said it was pronounced Cuir. It's spelled C-U-I-R. Now, it's actually pronounced closer to Cuir than it is to Cuir, but it has like a French sound to it, and I can't do that sound. So Cuir is as close as I can get, and I'm not referring to anything else but the word leather in French. So I'm Erin. I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you've enjoyed this content, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do it. And that way you will get notified of upcoming content, assuming you ring my bell. And also find me on Instagram. I am the Handbag Housewife there. Just put the @ symbol in front of that name in the search bar and you will find me. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.